Gutenberg is a visual drag and drop editor for WordPress. This is what it looks like on the WordPress editing screen. And so they've moved away from their kind of Microsoft Word appearance, which is what it looked like before. It really did look like Microsoft Word. You know, you had a kind of like a document interface with a toolbar, but what you were editing didn't look anything like what it actually looked like when you would publish it. And so it was very frustrating, and you were severely limited by what you could do. And I'm going to show you that in just a moment. The visual drag and drop editor allows you to add content using what are called blocks, content blocks. And you do that here from this little plus symbol. And it drops down this menu, and then you can select the type of content block that you want. You can add a paragraph text block, an image block, a heading, a list. You can do columns. You can even embed videos. You can embed podcasts. You can embed like Spotify playlist. I don't know why you'd want to do that, but you can embed a Kickstarter campaign, and I'm sure as time goes on, there will be a whole lot more that you can do. And so really what this does is it opens up the world of WordPress kind of into the 21st century. What we're going to do is recreate this landing page as closely as possible. So the first thing I'm going to do is add a title. I'm going to copy this. Now I'm going to just use Command-C because I'm on a Mac, but I could come up here to my browser bar and say Edit Copy. And then I'm going to paste this into Gutenberg. Now I can't say that I love that. It's too big of a title really. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to half it. I'm going to do half and half. So I'm going to put the title here and a subtitle here. Now, a title, and here, I'm going to save this. This is also something important to know. Save your work as you go along. Now, the title, I can't really change. That's what it is. I want you to pay attention to this because this is important. Right here, this is a paragraph text block. I know that because when I put my cursor in it, I get this little menu here. And the menu has this icon that is the same as the paragraph content block. So this is a paragraph content block. Now, what if I want to change some things in here? Well, from here in the menu, I can change the alignment. I can make it bold, italic, strike through, or I can make it a hyperlink. If I want to do anything more than that, I need to click on the More menu, which is this 3-dot menu, and I need to select Show Block Settings next to this gear wheel here. You will do this a lot if you are building or editing any kind of blog post or page on your website. So Marge, if you're going in and editing something that somebody else created, you will use this a lot. So here what you see is you can change the font size. Now, they're not giving you, a certain point size. You can either make it small, normal, large, or huge. I think actually over here you might be able to do that. So let's see. Yeah, you can do a point size. So I could do a specific point size. You can do that. You can do drop text. Here's the thing I absolutely positively love. You can change the color of your text to even include a background color. So here's what we're going to do. This is on a purple background with white text. Now, a title I cannot change. This is controlled by your theme. Now, your theme is the overall decision that you made when you go to appearance and themes. Your theme is what determines what colors you can do on your website, what fonts, things like that. That will determine a lot of the decisions and options that you have available to you. I am using right now the default theme that comes with WordPress this year, which is 2019. It doesn't have a lot of options to it. So the title is the title. I can't change anything in it. See, like right here, the options here, there's nothing about, I can't change the, see, notice notice here that this changed. The options change when you go to different types of content blocks. When I'm in the title area content block, I can't change the font size or the color. It is what it is. But I can here. So Marge, pay attention to this. This is important. If I can go to the color settings and I can make my background color. Now see, these are the options that come with my theme. I don't like those. They're kind of boring. So I want to go to this custom color picker, which kind of looks like a rainbow sphere, and I'm going to pick purple. Whoops. And I don't know why it did that, but let's go to purple. There we go. I've got a nice purple background, but now I want to change that text to be white. So I'm going to go again to the color settings and choose white, and look at that. Now, see, again, that's revolutionary. You could not do that in WordPress previously without code. So I just created a colored background. So I'm going to save this, it already is, and I'm going to preview it. And you'll preview a lot. Now, here's what I can do and here's what I can't do. And this is important to understand. Because of the theme that I am using, which is 2019, it will not let me get rid of the site name in the menu. That is simply a function of the theme, and I'll show you where you can find that. I can't change the title. That's the way it looks, but I can change the text.